I'm going to show you how to make really easy pulled pork. Here we have a Boston butt roast, bone in, a crock pot, and some of my favorite spices. I have some fajita seasoning. You can do whatever you want. Salt. This has salt and pepper and garlic and all kinds of stuff in there. Some mustard. You can use yellow. You can use Dijon, whatever mustard you like. Some minced garlic. You can also use fresh. I like to add some cumin because I'm in Texas. And I add a little Worcestershire sauce. Usually I add liquid smoke, but this is going to be good too. So here we go. Okay, I scored it, punched a few holes in it to get the spices in there, rubbed it down with my mustard, and threw the rest of the spices on there, and put it fat side up into my crock pot. It's set on high, and I'm going to forget it for 6 hours, come back, and you just shred it apart.